Hey guys, this is Craig from LeadScripts, and I'm going to show you a couple new features that we added today. One is in AI scripts. Actually, we added a text expander, text rewriter, and a text simplifier. And you can go to these right over here on the left. And I'm not going to go through those because I will show you those in a bigger update that we did. And that is the article writer. Okay, article writer. When you get in here, this is create a new blog post or article to write it automatically. I did send an email earlier about this, like very simplified version. So I'm just going to go through this really quick on what you see on this page. Right here is the blog topic. What do you want to write the blog article about? I'm going to say, I'm just going to pick something like, oops, how to play fiddle. Then I can click generate script with AI and it will create the blog outline, or if I go to options, I can just make it skip that and it will automatically do the whole thing. So let's just try that once. Right now it's generating the blog outline. Okay, there's the blog outline it created. Now it's writing the blog article based on that outline. And it might take a few seconds to do it. I mean, it's writing it for you, so it's worth the wait. And a couple other things with this. Okay, there we go. It wrote, and this is a great start for an article. You scroll down, you can see the amount of words in the paragraphs right here um, within the article. And now there's a few things you can do here. Like this is just the start of it, but before I get into the actual um, editor, you can go back here to blog topic, and let me just say, I'm going to change this to guitar. And then I'm going to generate script. And now since I unchecked the magic article generation, it's going to just create the outline. So now here's the outline, and this is totally editable. So if you want to edit this, you can. And like say, I just want a few things like this, rid of these. Now, if I want to, let me fix these. If I want to generate this right now, I can. What it will do is it'll actually put it at the bottom of here, bottom of the current document. You're not going to lose any information there. And you also see this auto saved popping up. That's saved not to your swipe file, but just kind of in memory so that if something would happen, you could refresh the page or whatever, and it's going to load it. So if I go down here, see it says auto save. Now I'm just going to refresh the page. Now this is what happens. It says, hey, an auto save version is available. Do you want it? If I say cancel, I'm going to get nothing back. But if I say okay, it's going to show me the version that I got. And you can click side by side view. If you have a save version and unsaved version, it will show you both and you'll be able to select which one you want. But if it's just one, you just get the one. And if you click inline view, you can actually see what it looks like. I'll just say yes. It's not a big deal. Put it in there. So see, here's that guitar, the guitar one that I said. Okay. Um, so now, let's see. I'm just going to do this just to kind of separate it. Now, one of the things, now it's auto save, but it's not saved to your swipe file. So let's save it to your swipe file. And I'll show you a few other things you can do here. Save is going to prompt for, basically what it does is it takes the beginning of the article and then it's going to prompt you to save a file name. So I'll just say fiddle and guitar article. Now I click OK. What that does is that saves it to your swipe file. So if I go to my swipes and go to article/blog post, right there it is, fiddle and guitar article. So now it's loaded to this page. Now, say you want to rename it, all you have to do is click up here and just start typing and hit save. And there you go. Now, here are a couple other cool things. Like you can copy this text and it's copied to your clipboard, and then you can just paste it wherever you want. There it is. Or you can download it if you want, and it works the same way. Or if you save it, it's just going to save whatever current file name you have here and into your swipe file again. You can do whatever you want with this. Now, let's just say, okay, I'm going to select some of this text, right click, and I'm going to say, I want you to expand on that. Click expand, and it's going to use the AI to write even more. So even though you start and you might only have like 400 words in your article, you can expand it just like that. Like it'll just start going through. Now, one of the things is you'll have to look and see, like this is what I expanded upon, and you might see some duplicate because it expanded that. So I'd just get rid of that. But anyway, sometimes it creates additional, sometimes it doesn't. Now, another thing, the basics of playing fiddle. Like say I want to rewrite that. I just right click, click rewriting. And right now it's calling the AI, using LeadScripts AI to rewrite it for you. And I mean, it came up with that. Now, and there's one other one too, like, let's see, I don't know. I'm just going to select something. I'm not really reading it. I'm just selecting it to show you the functionality. Right click and simplify. This is another one. We've had 3 requests like that. And, this is really the basics just to getting started. So when we say simplify, we're basically saying, hey, we want you to rewrite this set, what we select, and rewrite it so that maybe a 5th grader can understand it. And that's really the way that you want to write most of the time. So anyway, this is the new blog article. This is just getting started. And again, like say I wanted to do how to play flute. I'm just picking whatever, and I go ahead and check the magic article generation. Click that. It's generating the blog outline, and then it's going to add it to the article over here. So you got a big playing ground over here, playground for all your text and your article, and you can do whatever you want with it. I just wanted to show you that it will actually add it to it. You're not going to lose anything. It's just going to continue to add to your document. And the thought is, like the flute, here's your flute information. Yeah, it goes down. So the thought is that we're going to add more tools so that you can do what, you can just continue to work in your document. Blog topic, if you click these headings, they will expand and contract, just so you know. And that's it. That's the new article writer. And again, if you go to your swipe file to article scripts, you'll see them. You see it right there, and you can go. Now, here's a great example. I'm glad this happened. It's saying there's an auto-saved version. Remember, we added the flute to this article, but I did not save it to my swipe file. So if I click OK, it's going to show me the difference between these. And it will show you exactly like what was changed since the last time it was saved, which is pretty cool. So yes, load auto-saved version, and then we can hit save, and it's saved to your swipe file. Craig from LeadScripts, and thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy the article writer. Any feedback you have, let me know.